Hi, I'm Craig Pope from Pope & Co Mortgages. This is a bit of a quick update for August 2018. We're really happy to announce that we're going to be enlisting the help of Cameron Baggery from Baggery Economics, previously Chief Economist at ANZ, and he's going to be giving us helpful insights to the property market that will hopefully give you some insider tips on what the market's doing and how the economy is going forward. A big part of having a mortgage is reviewing it regularly, but also refixing your interest rate. We spend a lot of time and effort to try and help our clients when it comes time to refix an interest rate. So remember, you can use our help for free when you've got an interest rate coming up. We can tell you a lot about what's happening in the background to interest rates that you don't see. The cheapest rates and the best deals are not always advertised, but it's not all about that. It's about sort of looking at the bigger picture, and my team is here to help when your interest rate's due to review. So don't automatically just take what the bank's offered you in a letter or an email. Seek our impartial help. It won't cost you anything. Fire us through an email and then we'll have a chat about your situation and go from there. Another thing we're noticing in the day-to-day house buying market is that a lot of houses do have issues. Okay, so that could be unconsented work, it could be defective titles, it could even be an EQC claim that's still pending on a house. So if you're looking to buy a house, very early on you can start by asking the real estate agent if there's any disclosures on the property, so that you know what they are as early as possible in the process. Because there are sometimes when disclosures on a property are going to be a significant roadblock that are going to be requiring plenty of work to get a bank to be okay with it. Especially the likes of unconsented work or houses that don't have a code of compliance or some sort of quirk about them. So speak to the agent very early in the process to try and unearth any disclosures. Don't be afraid to ask the real estate agent if there has been any failed building reports done on a house, because again, that could unearth more recent disclosures and help your buying decision, or make you more inclined to do further due diligence to ensure you're doing the right thing with the house. It's really difficult when the property market is busy and there's a lot of competition for houses for you to be tempted to cut corners on due diligence. So remember too that a bank's approval is often a generic one. If you're looking at a specific house, you always need to get a bank to check the sale and purchase agreement and disclosures before you try any unconditional offers, and then it can be checked and things brought out in the open. Finally, please see our website for further videos that we've been adding to our video help page. Like I say, one thing I've noticed in the last few years and even recently, getting a home loan has become increasingly complex. There's a lot of steps to be wary of, and we find a lot of people are trying to jump ahead 2 or 3 steps without sort of going through the process. So firstly, you do need to be extremely patient when it comes to getting a home loan. We can have little roadblocks that pop up with banks from time to time. And one key thing is, again, banks are being extremely pedantic on ticking all the boxes. So unfortunately, it's the way it is these days that there's a lot of paperwork to have to provide. So the more information we get up front, the smoother the journey is. So again, it's a complex process. Buying a home requires a lot of patience these days, and also, I guess, understanding of banks' strict criteria, and that's where our help comes in. And we've just added into our website tips around how to get mortgage free quicker. Certainly with all our new clients, we can provide you with our Pope Zero mortgage reduction plan, and also we've just done some video tips around welcome home loans. So feel free to call me or the team anytime, 0800 000 517, or visit our website popeandco.nz.